So she just thinks this is what we do. We hug dead little chipmunks. Oh, I'm afraid. I don't want to, like, step where she's dragging her little chipmunk. Even if she got it all the way there from Shadow, through all the wood things, and back down to here. What, did she lose it? Oh. We should tie up the chipmunk with a little string. And then, like, dangle it. No, don't be mean. We have a proper, funeral. Right? What is going on over here?
If he doesn't eat it, then we'll have to have him for doing it.
What are you doing, Rudy? What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Sunny's like, whoa, bro, chill. She's holding it down too much, but we're gonna take this and we're gonna meow. Once you do that. As we can see, her killer instinct is finally on. Look at that. Out of all the places she could hit it, she just... Okay, Sasha, I'll let you do your thing. Oh my gosh, I thought I stepped on a cat.
I know.
It's just a cow.
That always scares me, those things.